Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, going to learn how to add an address on Cash App. But before we jump in, if you don't have a Cash App account yet, check out my referral link in the description to sign up and start sending money instantly. And if you're looking for another great way to send and receive money with no hidden fees, check out Chime as well. You can use my Chime referral link in the description to sign up and start using it today. To start, open the website cash.app/login, then log in with your mobile number. On the field provided, enter the one-time code sent to your phone. Once entered, click on Continue. To proceed, enter the cash PIN on the field provided. Then click on Continue. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the left side of the screen. Click on your profile. From the options provided, click on the option that says Account. Under Basic Info, you will see a section for address. Beside it is an Add button. Click on Add. A pop-up tab will then appear. On the fields provided, enter all the necessary information such as the street address, city, state and zip code. After entering all the necessary information, click on Continue. That's how you add an address on Cash App. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.